Today I'm trying something new because 2 years back somebody told me that carving was actually the best preparation for surfing, and this is why I bought this fancy Carver board designed by Kerr. Still got the price tag on it. I haven't been using that much, but today it's too windy to surf, so I'm going to try this one. Let's go! Woo! Woohoo! So what do surfer gods do on a windy day? They go break their legs. Somehow do the same movements you're doing in the water. So this is still the most comfortable way of skateboarding. Alright, I'm done.